Hello everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY project, I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy paper lanterns. So let's get started. I have took here A3 size white paper sheet. First, I'm going to mark 1 centimeter from both the ends of the sheet. Then I'm going to score along that mark point, or you can say fold along that mark. This is going to be our attaching part of the lantern. Our lantern will attach like this. Then I am taking out my butterfly dies. These butterfly dies are quite different from other dies. When we run this through our die cut machine, the die cut piece will remain attached to the main sheet. You will see the result after die cutting. Now I am starting to die cut down these dies. I'm die cutting these butterfly dies in such a way that I'll get a spiral look. To get a proper spiral look, you can first mark with pencil and then start die cutting. Mark line will be a reference line for the dies. If you don't have this machine or dies, you can make hand cutouts also with the help of cutter. So after die cutting, I'm going to stamp my sentiment over here. For stamping, I have used here black Memento ink pad. All the materials I have used here are listed in the description below, so have a look on that. Now I'm attaching this transparent sheet on the back side of the paper. To attach this sheet, I have used here double-sided tape. Here I am using small sheets of transparent paper. I am making sure that while attaching, there should not be a gap in between them. You can see here the gap is not visible, which means it's perfectly attached. Now trim out extra transparent sheet. After this, attach your both the fold parts. For attaching these two ends, I have used here that same double-sided tape only. To give proper circular look to your lanterns, just press that attach area inside. Now, to complete my lantern, I am keeping this artificial candle inside this lantern. So, this is the final look of my lantern. I have made another lantern with the same technique with different dies. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.